What's up everyone, for this video I'll be unboxing this unit of the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 processor, which is a 6-core 12-thread processor released last year. So before we proceed with opening the box, let's take a quick look at all the sides. Here's a picture of the included Wraith Stealth cooler. And on this side, you see the clear window that shows the processor itself. The back, some text in, tech information. And of course, the logo of Ryzen and AMD at the front. Let's go ahead and unbox this. We have here the installation instructions. Removing the top plastic cover, we'll be able to retrieve the processor itself, again contained in this plastic container, along with the provided Ryzen sticker. Inside this matte black box, we have the included Wraith Stealth cooler. Again, removing the top plastic cover, we will be able to take out the cooler itself. Just a quick note guys, there is a pre-applied thermal paste at the bottom of this Wraith Stealth cooler, so be careful when handling it so as not to smudge it, get some of it on your hands. That is it guys for this unboxing video. Thank you for watching. Please do click like if you liked this content, and do consider subscribing to my channel. See you guys in my next video.